Our PCB has emerged as a leading provider of time-critical, high-performance PCB and PCBA solutions over the last 10 years with over 5,000 square meters workspace. We currently have over 2,000 customers worldwide. Our capabilities include military standard assembly and UL processing. For assembly, we incorporate 3 high-speed Siemens SMT lines, ensuring a highly reliable PCB assembly outcome. Surface mount, through-hole, BGA, QFP, QFN component loading all meet programming, AOI inspection, and function test. With offices in China and Australia, we are ready to meet your global needs.